Okay, so in order to consume local resources, here you have added the JSON, right? The
Yeah.
JSON file in your assets folder.
Hmm.
So most over, we don't need to do that. Okay, we have to use our resources folder of both Android and iOS. Then can you just expand your iOS
Yes.
project? Expand
Yes.
your iOS project. Yeah. So I can see over here you have placed cal.json outside. Do you
Yes.
so do
That,
you
that's what it said. Yes.
So don't do that because the
Okay.
resources are from where the our whole shared project is going to shared project. You know that, right? Our
Mhm.
shared project is the project which gets all it contents, the native contents from the resources folder of iOS and the resources folder of Android. So till assets are really used whenever some Android native libraries are going to be added. Okay, so on Android project there is something called as assets, right? So at that time if we want something like really native stuffs, then we just put that on asset, or else try to make use of resources. Okay, that works fine. Any type of low type file, low type file consumption for our shared project. Okay, so no issues. So this is the first learning, that all the resources should be added to the resources folder. Okay, that is in short
So
and
wait,
sweet.
we put
Yeah,
it in the resources.
drawable folder, drawable folder,
Uh,
drawable folder to put.
Folder. Okay. So it's here
Okay.
and add the GIF file, right?
Yeah, yeah. So I
And
have
from.
a zip file over there and a zip file over here also. Okay. Now
Mhm.
you are going to run the whole project on Android as of now and test if zip file with the animation is being showed or not. Okay.
Okay.
So let's run the app.
Yeah. Sure. Okay. Yeah, just. Let me see.
And what I noticed, Karam, was the shadow animation in the tab view control is not feasible. That means it is not getting displayed from the plugin itself. There is no issues on the Android only. The problem is there. Okay, and what I'll try to do to the Xamarin Community Toolkit, I'll just raise a bug. Okay, don't worry about that. And I think the Xamarin Community Tool has now got migrated to Microsoft Toolkit right now. Okay, so they are
Mhm.
now work on Microsoft Toolkit, something Community Toolkit. Okay, so now Xamarin Community Toolkit is going to be what it is called. It is not going. It is going to be archived because Xamarin is not going to work, right? So Maui is coming up. So they are working right now on the Maui toolkit, and I think there's a tab view is also going to be relooked on that, and along with that, that said shadow control is not being added. We don't because yeah, that is like shadow control is not visible in the Android stuff as
Yeah.
of now. Yeah, I'll just raise a bug regarding this to the Xamarin Community Toolkit, that okay, there is some bug, and on Android we can't see any type of shadow. On
Yeah.
the tab view floating bar, floating one button is there, right? So a middle button, so that I won't be seen, but on iOS we can see it. Okay, I'll just raise a bug, and you can see, you can track the bug progress on
Yes.
the. Okay.
Yes, but like, is there something like can like if it's gonna take time, like, can we do like, is there like another way of doing a shadow behind this instead of raising a bug and stuff like this?
So raising a bug, these are platform specific. Okay, Karam, they are, everything is platform specific. That is like they are made really native way. We have different ways, like the cell control is there. There is a tab view, and along with that there is something called as right now flyout menu is there. Previously it is called as master detail, right?
Hmm.
So there were there previously, and I think the bottom part is really less customizable. Okay,
Yeah.
so that is the thing. And here what I found was the gif, right? The gif image right
Yeah.
now, can you see it?
Yes, I
So
see it. Now it's clear. Yes, it's
yeah,
better.
and yeah, so it will, what right now I'm the problem over here is it is taking some time to load.
Yes.
Okay, that
Yes.
gif. So what we can do is, but like it's your own practice. Okay, try to shrink this gif image. It's your homework. Okay, shrink this gif to a lesser MB file. Okay, and shrink, yeah, shrink that file to lower MB, okay, and try to get it done and use it in your resources folder, and we'll just come back and then see if it works fine or not. Okay.
Wait, I didn't understand exactly. What do I need to do with it?
Shrink this GIF image. That means reduce the size of this
Oh,
GIF
okay.
image. Okay.
Reduce.
So yeah, you have to just research on how to do that. Correct.
Okay, yeah. So I need to shrink this.
Yeah, shrink this and then use that all the file to the resources folder. Just note it out. This is your task to do that.
Okay,
Okay.
so I need to shrink and re-put it in the resources folder and try it. Yes.
Yeah, absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely. So
Okay.
now let's go to the calendar control. Where is it? Where is it?
Calendar. Okay, yeah. It's right home page. It's here.
Okay.
Wait.
So
Wait. Should I just stop it? Yes.
yeah, you can just stop that. No issues. So Karam, I just really want to frankly understand. Okay, how much comfortable are you with the list view and the collection view implementation? How much comfortable are you with, like, on list view?
With the collection view. With
Because
yes.
I'm just going to take you from basic, and I just need to understand, okay, what are the things that you have learned up to now. Okay, I can see lots of UI practices failure of you. We have like lots of things need to be remodified, okay, on each
Mhm.
of the UIs, and along with that, I have to understand you how much you are okay with list view dynamic way of implementation. Okay, and this is just a beginner, like, okay, you just show me the list of dynamic contents, okay,
Mhm.
on the form of list. Because on the list, if you know that one item is clicked, then you can get that ID from. Okay.
Yeah, I know how to do that.
Yeah,
Like
you
it.
know that, right? So you know the
Exactly.
concept of how item gets selected, and how the IDs are going to be generated on each list item clicked, right? And
Yeah.
then it can do whatever we like.
Yeah.
Do
On.
you,
Yeah.
you are
So I can
comfortable?
the topic and the title and everything. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
I know how to do that.
so that is the first thing that I have to ask with my this thing. Okay, my students, along with that other fellows too. Okay,
Mhm.
so you are comfortable with list view implementations, right? Now, here the next thing that we will be first focusing is we are going to remove this calendar, that all the buttons from there, because we
Yes.
really don't want. It is just pain. It's just painful. Okay, to
Yes.
see those buttons, and really, yeah, we shouldn't do that type of stuffs. Okay, instead of this, we are just using the calendar control as usual. Okay, and I'll just let you know the plugin implementation. Okay, instead of
Mhm.
this thing. Okay, so let's remove it, and I'll just give you a plugin link which will be adding it, and we'll just dynamically get
Yes.
everything. Okay.
Yeah, I understand. But like for the first stuff, like this, the buttons, the first two buttons, like that moves, in the top, the daily and monthly. This is okay, like for
Yeah,
leaving
yeah,
it?
that is okay. That is okay, but I think the calendar control is going to give that too.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
I think that is also going to keep by the calendar control itself. So nothing to worry about, and yeah, we can track that thing also. So if you want that, then we can just put it. No worries.
Okay.
And
So, what's the name of the plugin?
the plugin name is, I'm just going to share you on the Skype
Okay.
chat. You can just have a look on that. Okay,
Okay.
just quickly add this plugin.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay. This one is. I, yeah. Okay. Xamarin plugin calendar. Okay. I'll add it for all of them. Wait. It's here.
And it does not have any platform specific implementation, right?
Wait. So do I need to add it for all the projects or only for the shared one?
Put it on all the project as of now.
Okay.
So I don't think that is required also, but it won't show any errors.
Wait, what's the name of the plugin you said? Xamarin.plugin.com.
Sorry.
Okay, it's this one, yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Add, add package. All right. Yes. Wait, should I delete all of this stuff, the grid thing and all of the buttons? Or should we leave it on?
Yeah, just comment it out because you don't need anything as of now. Just comment this whole thing. Yeah, comment out. I just why it is just pain. Like, it is just painful.
Yes.
It's painful to see this stuff.
Yeah, okay, sorry, man. Okay, wait, why did it? Okay, wait.
Just press no Control Z. Just press Control Z because you have just done something very bad. Control Z. Yeah. So now just select it. Select everything. Grid, full grid. Just
Yes.
want to see it.
Until here, yes.
Yeah, up to here, and command plus slash. Command button plus the backslash button.
Wait, I know how to do it like this. Toggle line comment, no?
Yeah, you can do that too. But it's not doing now again you have to do it two times because there is something commented in middle, you can see over here,
Wait,
right?
now again.
Now you can do it.
Okay, yeah, I understand. Okay, so we've done that. Okay, the packages are added. Do I need to add something to the main activity or something?
No, I don't think they are adding anything inside the sample. Let
Okay,
me just
so
re-verify it, okay, on my end. So I don't think there is something. Yeah, I think nothing to worry about. And
okay,
on iOS, let's just see app delegate. No
uh,
worries. Nothing. Yeah. So
yeah,
let's go to the sample and where we'll just add range selection page, calendar picker pop up. So range selection, right? So this is a task type of application, and there is something called as range selection or not, like from 5 to 10, 10 to 15 is there or not?
no, but you need. I want this. This background color when you click each. Each day. So if you click 11, it would show you. In the collection view or the list view, it would
Yes.
show you what you have like on this day.
That is what we are going to do, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So why not to like add this calendar range picker pop-up selected date is there. Calendar pickup pop-up is there. Advanced page. Yeah, we'll just implement the advanced thing that are there. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So where? So wait. Where do I go for? Where's the advanced?
So I'm just going to share you a link. Okay,
Okay.
and you can just go away with it. Okay. So this is a advanced page, and it contains advanced things. Okay.
Like I need to add this one first, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Hold on. Okay. Now we need to. Let me save this. Okay.
Now let's copy this plugin calendar, okay, and uh,
Wait.
we are not going to use, okay, we are not going to use anything. No, you don't need to add anything. Plugin, just add that plugin calendar, and we will be adding one by one plugin calendar only.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay. So should I just add it? Write it manually?
No, not here, not here.
Oh
On
yeah. Not.
what?
Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, on the same grid that you have over there. In
Yes.
which
Wait.
grid you were added? You
Yeah.
were added.
Yeah. It was here. Plugin calendar plugin. Yes.
Yeah, no problem. Okay,
Okay.
so close it. Nice. And in which grid it is located? In which
It's
grid
wait.
it is?
Let me see. It's a grid. Wait. How did this?
No. You have not
Wait.
added.
Let me check this one. This one is stack. This is grid dot zero.
Mm-hmm.
This is one, and this is one as well. This is one. I think this is two. I think this is right. Wait, let me just make sure. Okay, this is zero. Wait,
So something
wait.
terrible is happening over here.
I think it's.
So why not you just see the from the top or where you have lived? Okay. So let's slowly
Let
go.
me move. Wait, what is this? This is the. Okay, I don't need this. I think this is. It's just confusing me. Wait, wait. Let me take it from here. Yeah, okay, let's remove this. Okay, and let's go for the grid thing. We've got 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Okay,
We've
so
got the
just
zeros,
0.
1. This is also 1. This is also, I think, 1, yes. And okay, let's remove this stuff. These guys are so annoying. Okay, we've got here 2.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, we've got 2 here. Grid, okay, 2, and we've got 2 as well here. Okay, wait. Where does this stack layout finish? I think it's this. Uh, oh, okay. So it's okay. It's all of it is under this grid. It's grid.2, grid row.2, and the plugin, the calendar comes also under it.
Also, if it is inside 2, okay, you have defined 2 rows inside the grid at line number 101, right? You are defining 2 rows on that grid, and you are putting one stack layout, and
Yes.
then same stack layout, like stack layout will be orientation at vertical. Okay, so why you are placing at grid.row 1? So don't it like, I think that is not going to work out. Okay, so if you are defining 2 grid.rows inside a grid, okay, at line number 101, right? So
Mm-hmm.
here I can see there is a carousel view, okay,
Mm-hmm.
and this carousel view does not know where it really belongs to. At grid.row 0, it is telling that okay, it is on grid.row 0, right?
Yeah.
For viewing. Okay, so stack layout, like there is one property name as vertical, okay, for stack layout. Okay, so
Yeah.
yeah, that's the default property of stack layout, that is vertical. Okay, so that is going to tell that stack layout. So here, see, there is another problem that I can find over here. Okay, you are placing at line number 99, you are placing one stack layout on grid.row 2. Okay,
Yeah.
and on basic terminology, okay, like how UI is going to be designed, let us suppose you, if you are placing a stack layout on grid.row 2, okay, now on at line number 101, you are telling that stack layout, you have like 2 rows. Okay, you are
Mm-hmm.
2 rows, and in second row place this grid. Do you know that at line number 101?
Wait, wait. So I've got this stack layout in grid.2. Okay. So why
Okay,
did I did
understand,
this?
understand this. You are place allocating some space for grid.row 2, okay, on a stack layout, and
Okay.
now at line number 101, you
Yes,
told
I'm doing another
okay,
grid.
stack layout, okay, stack layout, okay, I'll just put one grid on your grid.row 2, on your grid.row 2. Okay, means
Yes.
that is what should be removed. That grid.row 2 at line
Yes.
number 101 should be removed. Okay, so don't place those things which will confuse the UI, and along with that your UI is going to be blasted.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, because it was, only a grid, and then I added the stack layout, and this remained here, the grid row.2. But yeah, I understand your point.
Yeah, sure. Then let's go to the stack layout at line number 107. You can see over here we have placed one cursor view at grid.row 0, right? Nice. No,
Yes.
okay. And what you are placing is on grid.row 0 is another stack layout, which you have told that okay, there is some visibility as false, and it won't be shown anytime. No, no, like never. It won't be shown this like it won't be shown anytime, right? It won't be
Yeah.
shown.
Wait,
So
I don't. Wait,
that you
this
don't
is.
need that thing, right? So if that is not shown, then why you do you want that? Do want
Wait,
this?
wait, let me see it again. Wait. This is a cross-hole view.
Yeah,
Okay, this one. Okay, I don't need this one. I don't
yeah.
need.
Like you have turned that visibility off, right? That's why. Okay, so you want the label, okay, and I can see over here on grid.row 1, okay,
Yes.
and that is over. Like on label is on grid.row 1, and on the grid.row 1, okay, and another label which shows
Yeah,
yeah.
'cause- yes. I want. This is like the year thing. The year and the arrows, the right and left arrow. Wait.
So let's just fix the UI at first and then start coding on the CS part and learn. try to learn like how to make it dynamic. Okay, so I can see over here you have put text as 2021. Okay, that is a hard coded stuff. And
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah. This is, yeah, just to show. I was working on UI just to see how it looks. So yeah, we're gonna change it. I'm gonna bind it and work on it. Change it. It depends.
yeah,
But yeah,
absolutely. Grid.row 0 is there, right? Now go up a grid, a
now do
grid.
I need to add another one?
Now you can see here a stack layout is there, and then side by side. Now there is at line number 99, line number
Yeah.
99. Just go to line number 99. Now stack layout orientation as vertical. Put that orientation as vertical. Stack layout is orientation
Wait, yeah, I understand. Orientation,
vertical.
vertical. Okay.
Okay, so now grid is on grid.row 0 of stack layout. Okay.
Yes.
No. The
Oh
grid
yeah.
101. Okay, and grid.row 0 and go below. Okay, go below. Like the plugin where you have implemented. So plugin calendar at line number 144. Okay, so
Yeah.
this is on the first row. But stack layout, what it will do is that it stacks the two children vertically. Okay, now okay, just understand how what I'm just trying to tell you. Okay, so
Okay.
this calendar is also on the same stack layout. So that is over. Okay, now we should see a calendar control at top. Now let's see. Okay, just let's run the app. Okay, and
Okay.
then the UI first of all, and we will be slowly incrementing this requirement. Okay, like what are the things, how we are going to bind and everything.
Uh,
So I can see over here there are 80 errors that
oh, yeah,
shouldn't.
I understand why. Because I think,
Oh
yeah, it's
yeah,
here because I had the names for each one. Here you see the labels. Now it should be all, I think. Wait. Yes,
yeah.
you see. Now all of this is wrong. Is bad. So we've got a comment. Wait, let me comment all of this.
So everything should be dynamic, right? So these are the things that you have should not do that.
Yes, it must be dynamic. Yeah, that's my bad. Wait, just let me comment this out so we can just get rid of the errors. Okay, toggle line comment. Okay, and now here's the big problem here. I've got many stuff the same thing, which is wrong. I know it's wrong, but
No issues. I'm here to fix these things.
yeah. Okay, so I think we're good now. I think so. Wait, let me run it. Try and run it. See if we get an error. Yeah, I think we're good. You know what I have, like like for this one,
Mhm.
like when I put, like, for example, I want to put this stuff in the same row,
Mhm.
like for in a stack layout. So I put it like in the same grid. Is this like, this is okay? Yes. Like instead of putting it in a stack layout orientation horizontal, because I
Mhm.
get space sometimes when I put this stuff in a stack layout. So I decided to put it in a grid. Is this
Yeah,
like a,
yeah, nice. No issues, no issues. Because you have like horizontal view is something like it get expanded sometime to different type of UI. So basically, we put some type of stack to wrap the horizontal view and then put it inside the grid. Nice. That's a new. Yeah, I was really impressed with sometime with the UI, and sometime it was really looking really horrible. Okay, and still lots of things to be changed, lots of standards to be maintained. Okay, and I'll let you know how the standards are really value to any type of organization later. Okay,
yes?
because we work on standard projects and standard way of implementations. So yeah, that will
Yeah.
be a factor.
Okay, let's see.
So it's installing. If
Okay,
we can get a calendar UI controls, then there are way lots of things that need to be merged up.
yes, we need to change it. Okay, wait, let's see how it looks now. Okay, so I think we need to click here first.
Okay.
Okay, so we've got this one.
So we have got this type of control at first, okay, and we will be slowly, okay, slowly going through everything, and what is the thing that is going on 23rd of August, and everything will just try to bind everyone, every stuffs, and I'll just give you other tasks also, like, okay, what is the next thing that you want, okay,
Mm-hmm.
and this is how it really looks like the August, and this is today's date, right? August
Yeah.
2021. Yeah.
Yes.
So everything is fine over here.
Mm-hmm.
So uh, I think, do you want me to get into this and bind all the items to 21st date on that specific date or not? Because what we have to do first of all is, uh, as being like on your plus button, right? On your
Yes.
plus, there is something like a pop-up, right, that
Yeah.
appears whenever that pop-up appears. Yeah, so I can see over here there is something called as, yeah, just go there.
Oh,
uh,
okay.
like
Yeah.
if you are at a task manager thing stuff is there, then there is something called as date, time, and what is this, choose color.
We like you choose the color that comes under the thing. So like it doesn't show here, but like under each, for example, in the 2nd of August, like it would show like kind of a color here that indicates, what task, what like the color of the task or something of that sort.
Okay, 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 so that should be also refreshable, right? Your whole calendar controls should refresh, do you know that?
Yes, I'm trying, like I need to do that, like for this kind of.
Yeah. So that is what you have to do, the refreshing of this whole calendar control and get that clean stuff over there.
Wait, how do
So
we play
it's
like with
possible. It's possible, man. It's really possible. Okay, there's nothing to worry about. And the next thing is what I really want to change is the animation, like from monthly to daily. It really takes. Don't you think that it's really taking time consuming? See, 1, 2, 3, and then just comes up.
yeah, I
So
can change the time if it's
yeah,
if
yeah.
it
Okay,
doesn't
oh, okay. There is timer also, right? Oh,
Yeah,
like
there's a timer
per
for this.
second.
Like I can
Okay.
make it small, like much quicker. But
Uh,
you see this? You saw like sometimes it gets, slowly, like when you move from daily to monthly. Is it how do we fix that? Like you see, like wait, for now, like for this one, it comes quickly. Like I put some animation to, when it moves from here to there, and when you see it's kind of
so,
still.
so put a white screen at background. Go to your UI. Okay, on this monthly UI. Where is this calendar control? Yeah.
Wait,
So go
the
up.
month.
This is
The
what,
month.
right? This is the main page. Go up. Go up. Go up. Go up. And here, what is the monthly stuffs? Where the monthly stuffs comes up?
The monthly. The thing is, wait.
There
The
are two
thing that I'm doing
coming.
is I'm putting visible and not visible. That's the thing.
Yeah.
So like wait. So what do I need? Like for example, like this, the animation, the car, and it will become visible false, is visible false, and the other stuff will become is visible false. That's what I'm doing. Like
Okay, so it's on the same kind.
like
Go,
yeah, on the same page.
that is on the same page, but you should have divided two pages. Okay, that's a better way to do that.
Mm-hmm.
Because Karam, okay, so there should be a two content view. Okay, like on a very, like on a standard basis, there should be a two content view. Okay, and I can see that there is something like, if it is selected, then show this content view. No, you have just added some converters, right? No, not a content view.
Wait,
Okay.
should I like? I
Yeah.
understand. I'm trying. Wait, so two content. Oh no.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, content view dot. Wait, should I have two content views in the
Yeah.
same page?
Yeah. So you would be
Other
placing
than
two
this,
content
other
view.
than other than this one, another content view. Yes.
Yeah, two contents. Okay, two contents on that same content view, so that if this triggered on, okay, so this content, so this is your homework. Okay, if you don't, if you are not, okay, this is the how the programmatic way
Yes.
of works. Okay, there will be two content view within that content view. Okay,
Mhm.
and this content view will be connected with two templates. Okay, either to show this content view or else show the another content view. Okay, so this is possible. You just
And
need,
this is
yeah,
inside this content view. So
yeah,
inside I can have another content view, like another, yeah, yes, okay, and another one here, like,
yeah.
wait,
But you
yeah,
have to, yeah, you
I
have
can
to just,
put this inside.
no, you have to place the line not like this way. You have to put some grid and then enable one content view or enable another content view. Okay, just put some grid and on that grid dot row zero. Okay, and then only put the content view inside that.
Oh, okay, yeah,
So
I
under
understand. Like
yeah,
two
and the
rows.
zeroth content view, there will be one calendar control that you have with the task, and another content view there will be another thing as a task. Okay, so that is how you're gonna work on, and then it is going to be complex. I'm telling you right now. Okay, it is
Yeah.
going to be complex, but if you want to go with the complex stuff, because the content view binding comes up, that is going to be a terribly difficult for the beginners. Okay,
Wait, but
yeah.
wait, I understand what you're saying. Like having two content views in row zero, the first one, and row one, the second
No,
one.
no, row zero on the grid dot row zero. There will be, let us suppose,
Only row zero.
yeah,
Okay, only row zero. But how? Wait. Okay, this is in row zero, and this is in. Oh, okay. Now I understand. Okay, okay. Yeah, I understand. One time this is visible. One time the other one is visible. Yes.
yeah, absolutely. Two grids will be, let us suppose, let's remove the concept of content view because it is going to be complex for the beginners. But as our project, as our work increases on, like if we like progress on, then we'll be implementing the content view bindings. Okay, but for the first time as a beginner, as of now, what we will do is we will put on the grid dot row on two grids inside a grid. Okay, a grid contains two grids. Okay, and in this two grid, what the first grid will contain the calendar controls and everything on that part whole UI, and then
Yeah.
second grid is going to contain all the things on the grid dot row zero zero itself. Okay, I'm just recording this video so that you can just refer back.
Yes,
Okay,
and
yeah,
I understand what you
yeah,
mean.
that's,
Yeah, instead of two content views, two grids inside
yeah,
a
two
grid.
grids. Okay, two grids, and then and you will just control both grid by the visibility. Okay, either to
Yes.
show this visibility or turn on the visibility of another. Okay, so two things that you will be doing it as a task. Okay,
Yes.
that
Yes.
is how you're gonna control this full that like you like how your UI reacts is Karam. Okay, is
Hmm.
like whenever you trigger between monthly and daily, right? So
Yes.
monthly and daily is like you are turning something on and off, so it takes time. Okay, the
Yes.
Android takes time to render.
Okay.
You shouldn't be there. Okay, so that's why you have to separate it to with two grids so that the whole grid will be just collapsed
Okay.
down.
Yes, I understand. Yes. Yes, I understand your point. Yes. Yeah. No problem. Yeah, I will do that. No problem.
All right, so that is the thing that we need to discuss by today, like how to control this full UI, right? So we
Okay.
have already discussed it, and along with that, what we will be doing the next is the add task to the Firebase. Did you have any questions regarding the Firebase connections and anything
I
regarding?
already I already worked with it because I had a login page before, and I wanted to redesign it later, so I started working on the dashboard on this page, and I left that away. But I already connected it, and I already found a plugin. I used without a plugin, and then I found a plugin, and I said, okay, I will use a plugin instead of me writing down, having stuff
Mhm.
something on Android and iOS separately. So I would write it in the shared project. But
Sure.
yes, I already connected, and I even added like the Google sign in and stuff like this with the Firebase.
Nice, nice. All right. So, okay. So, any questions with me now?
Yes.
Because these are the tasks that I have provided you. Okay, and try playing with the bindings. Okay, on your own research, Karam. Okay, and anything that you have any other questions for me?
Yes, like for the wait, first of all, like for this UI, like we can play with with how it looks, with this stuff, with this stuff, with the arrows, because they kind of look, they're down a little bit.
So why not to check it, like how it's gonna look like.
Yeah, I will go over the plugin. It's okay. I will go over the plugin.
Yeah,
But
you can go over the plugin itself, and we have to see if we can customize this arrow. I think we can customize because this guy, these guys have done it. I know that, and if
mhm.
they are the plugin maker, then why they should have made this customizable, right? So
Yeah.
there, I think you have to do some research on that, and if it's not possible on your end, then I'll have to see it. Okay, but I think a small research is required from your end to get
Yeah.
this going. Okay, and we do it on your end because I'm really here for solving the complexities. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So,
No problem.
yeah, so
Yeah.
I'm just here for solving your complex problems only, not going through the whole some UI stuffs and then
Of course.
fixing it out. So any type
Yeah.
of complex things and anytime the thing that comes up, then I'll be taking care of. Okay,
Yeah.
and if any issues are there on your UI, if it really looks horrible, then I'll just raise a voice against you that okay, these are the things that are
Mhm.
that will keep trouble in you, like for you and future. Okay, so
Yeah.
these are
But
the steps that you have to maintain. All
I have
right.
a question. Like about the grid. Like for example, like in order to fit it perfectly, like for each device. So like having it, for the sides, because like for this thing, I added like a scroll view. But can I have like something without a scroll view and only for this one to have a scroll view, like for the collection view? Because you
Yeah.
see, I added because I don't know for the size of the phone, so I don't get stuck with this. So for this one and also for the horizontal options, like sometimes it goes in the sides of the screen, and it doesn't fit perfectly. So
That
how
okay. So the answer that I'll give it to you is you have redesigned the UI in a very bad way. Okay, that's why it was going on right side of your screen. Okay, and what this guys on the plugin has developed is they have optimized to every screen sizes that comes up. Okay, just rotate your screen. Just rotate your screen right now. Okay, so you can see over here the screen is rotated and again rotate it,
okay.
again rotate it. I think that should be rotated and
Yeah, to be
I can,
rotated. I think it's a CPU. It's a computer. Yeah, it needs to figure out a problem.
I think there is a problem because I can see that everything works fine on my
Yes,
phone. Yeah,
yes.
that is what, and your idea to only make those like your month scrollable, right?
I
Yeah,
want like I want not the month, like this stuff,
this month.
like the oh yeah, this month the tasks. I mean, yeah,
Yeah.
to be this one scrollable, and this stuff will be like shown depending on the size of the
So you
screen. Or
need to, the thing is that just decrease the size, okay? Because see, Android devices and do you just understand like how your iPhone 8 is like 6 plus 6s, how much
yes,
small the screen is? Do you like have you got idea to use that? Like have you got chance to use that iPhone 6s small phone? I'm not telling about high end phones like iPhone 11, iPhone 12, 12 plus. Okay, like I'm just talking about very small screen size phone. Like iPhone 6s is really horrible, but still iPhone supports it. Okay, so
mhm,
we'll be having our customers on those phones too. Okay, and
yes,
we have to think about their perspective also, and we have to think about the person who is using iPhone 12 plus also, iPad also. Okay,
yes. So how do we do
so
that?
that
Like,
is how we actually think of. Okay, and the best thing that you have to do is not to restrict the user on special parts. Okay, and sometime sometime the phone might come. Okay, uh, on the screen size that is your calendar, how much your calendar view is there, right? The small phones, there
mhm,
might be some phones, okay, with that small screen size. From your bottom tab bar to your calendar control, that much size phones might also come. Okay,
yeah,
so that is how, and the use of scroll view that you have used right now is okay, no issues. And but what you have to understand is you have to give the size of the list view or collection view that you have used over there. That's why it is scrolling really down over there. Just scroll it down. Just
yes.
scroll down. Yeah. So you see the blank space between this and the bottom part,
Yeah,
right? Yeah.
that's a problem. Like, how do
Yeah.
we see?
So you have to give the size of the collection view as well as the list view that is there in this month. You have put over there, right?
Yes.
So
So
go to the collection view.
okay, the collection view here. Is
Yeah,
this one?
this is the collection view, right? So
Yes.
this collection view has to be provided with the height, okay, and the maximum height that goes with 150 or 200
Wait,
height,
should I put a max height or like a
height,
normal?
height request.
Wait. Uh,
Let's see,
height.
height request. Yeah. So the height request goes
How would I know? Like exactly? Maybe like
200, 200
two.
because that optimizes it like 200. Let's go there and then let's see. Okay, and then it now optimizes to
Yeah.
like whatever. Now you can scroll this month. Okay, now
Yeah.
just scroll that this month list
Oh,
now.
okay. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay. Okay.
right? So you can see over there now it went right and it looks now a little bit good. Okay, the next task will be you would be removing the top part, the the calendar control. The top part is there, right? Go up.
Yes. I'll remove this. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, so just remove that and it will go a little bit up and
Yeah.
try
Look
to
better.
decrease the size of KJA, okay, and month and daily also. Try to decrease those sizes and it looks a little bit good and optimizes with your UI.
Yeah.
And
What about like the buttons? Like you see, like I did a margin 150. Like
so
I'm
that
not.
type of margin, don't do anything regarding this type of margins, okay? That is going to kill your app.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's the thing. So how do like I make it like be in the middle and so I can switch right and left for both of them?
So that is what, and there is a switch property also. And I can see over here, you have used something as button, and that is on height request 150. Why there is a margin of 150 at top, left, top, right?
This is right. So once I click here, this goes to the right. This is like a blank, a white background button. There's a white background button that moves 150, and then another one moves 150, and then each time one of them moves 150. You
Yeah,
know.
concept is good. The concept is good, okay, and I just want to see if it optimizes to different screen size or not. Just
Yeah, that's the thing. That's the thing that I'm worried about. Is does
yeah.
it like fit for the for each size? Because it might for small screens it might go behind the screen.
So I just need to see it because I'm also really confused regarding this, if it works fine or not. All right. So yeah, I would let's see that a little bit late. Okay,
Mhm.
and go to your monthly calendar, and you are going to decrease the size of this button. Okay, and then make it a little bit nicer. It looks
Wait, on
really
this
really
one.
big. Yeah, a
This-
little bit big.
Wait, it's a little bit big. Where is this? Did I put a sign? Okay, maybe should I play with the height and width request? No.
Yeah, yeah, that's it. Yeah, just may decrease the 10 pixel size to 45, and then you have to just play around with your corner radius also after that.
Yes, 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 yes. I see. Yeah,
Yeah,
but
so
the margins
yeah,
just
you can
margin.
just fix that thing up later, okay? And I have already provided you with the task to decrement the what it is called this
Yeah,
one the size of that, remove
yeah,
that, and the next thing that you will be doing, Karam, is okay. As soon as you select this date, right? There are bindings. Okay, there
yes,
are bindings. Like when fourth is selected, okay,
yes.
and there are fourth is selected, fifth is selected, and then what happens? Okay, when
Yeah,
fourth
I
is
need to
selected, yeah.
bind it. I can
Yeah.
show the list of the things they have to do.
So you can just do that, and I can see over here there is 11th August 2021 over here also. Okay, so this shows you the task
Yes,
of
that's cool.
yeah. So either to bind, because I know that on 21st 23rd August you can just bind the same UIs also with the checkbox too. Okay, in
Wait,
23rd August you can just let the UI, you can design your own UI over there also.
oh, here, yeah, okay,
Yeah,
here.
so inside here itself there is one arrow right, arrow top and bottom right, so it just expands top and below also. You can design it of your own, okay, that like how you have done this month, not this month. If it's in this month, then there will be like 10,000 of tasks, and how you are going to show it. So you will
Yes,
be specifically selecting this day, like okay, 3rd August 2021. What is the thing that is that are the task on 23rd August? What are the tasks? So these are the things that you will be doing. That, yeah, that will come in our future. Okay, so
mhm.
yeah, and you will be trying it of your own, and if anything happens, then I'm here, right here.
Yes, and also, yeah, just a question. This one, can I like change this the arrow thing? Can I change it
Yeah,
like to?
absolutely. I think they have provided us anything to play around with, and we can put this UI, this month UIs over
Yeah.
there. Okay, 23rd August. That is possible. I think so because the calendar guy had like many thoughts, and that's why
Hmm.
he has designed this type of stuff, right? So
Yes.
yeah, and so
Yeah.
we should be okay with the calendar guy who has designed it, and really hats up to him. And
Hmm.
lots of contributors are there, and it's been actively worked on. And I can see over here 21 days ago they have just
Hmm. Yeah.
refactored samples apps also. All right, so there are lots of people associated with this package too. Nice. We have selected the good package, and let's see what are the things that this plugin allows us, and all of your research. Okay, do your research, try to do it of your own. Okay, and
Hmm.
let's see how it goes, and we can again meet after what it is called, a day. Okay,
Yeah.
try it
After
of
that.
your, and just try it today also, and just take a break or anything, and then you can just try it by tomorrow, and then we shall meet again back by day after tomorrow, same time. The timing will be now the same, 4 to 5. Okay, and I just got really trouble with this what it
Yeah.
is, today's meeting, and it was like really extended,
Hmm.
and I'm
Yeah.
really tired right now.
Yeah. No problem. Yeah. No problem. I appreciate that. So wait,
Yeah.
after tomorrow we meet at this time. Yes.
Yeah, absolutely. This time or 4 to 5 it would be, I think so. And
Yeah.
let's okay, let's see. The 4 to 5 timings will be there. It might be there. That is our as usual timing,
Hmm.
4 to 5 p.m. And we'll just again meet, or else it will be scheduled this time. Okay. There are
Okay.
two.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. No problem. So I will go over it, and
Yeah.
after tomorrow I will show you all the new stuff. Okay.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Any type of hard, difficult stuff, then I want you to